Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 4 from exercise 9.2, chapter 9, rational numbers from NCERT book. Now here you have to find the value of minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. So you know that this kind of sums you have done before also in the class also you have done yesterday. So minus 4, when it is a division sign, you have to make the sign, change the sign division into sign and then make the divisor its reciprocal. Do you remember reciprocal? That means numerator and denominator will interchange their place. Now as it is 4, so you can write 4 by 1 also, and if it is possible to cancel, then cancel the number, then you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then the result is 2 into 3 and in minus sign is also there, so it is 6, minus 6. In this way, the same way, the next question is minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So what you will do, minus 1 by 8 into 4 by 3, reciprocal of 3 by 4. Now if it is possible to cancel, cancel it. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Now minus 1 by 3 2 is 6. Next question is, it is question number 5. Minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Same way you have to do minus 2 by 13. Dividend you will not change and do its don't make its reciprocal, only divisor. So into sign, and 1 by 7's reciprocal is 7 by 1. Is it possible to cancel? No. Then what you will do, minus 2 into 7, minus 14 by 13. Next one is 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. So 3 by 13, make it into sign, 65 by minus 4. If it is possible to cancel, cancel. 3 1 is 13, 1 is 13, 13, 5 is 65. Now the number is 15 by minus 4, and as you know that in standard form this is not in the negative sign, not be in the denominator, so final result you will have to write 15 by 4. Come to the next sum. Now we will discuss few important things related to rational numbers from R.S. Agarwal book. Additive inverse. See, it is additive inverse means the number by which you will add the given number, the result will be 0. So additive inverse. Find the additive inverse of 5 by 9 and minus 15 by 7. So if the number is 5 by 9, so which number you will add with this to get 0? Yes, minus 5 by 9, if you add with this number, then you will get a 0 result. So what you will write? The additive inverse of of 5 by 9 is minus 5 by 9. Understood? Whatever the number is given here, just write the opposite sign of that number. You will get the additive inverse. Here also it is minus 5 by minus 15 by 7. So what is the additive inverse of minus 15 by 7? The additive inverse of minus 15 by 7, you know it is a negative rational number, so you have to write the same rational number with opposite sign, that means positive sign, is 15 by 7. Next point is multiplicative inverse. What do you mean by multiplicative inverse? If any number is given to you and you have to write its multiplicative inverse, that means the number by which you will multiply the number to get 1, result 1. That means it's reciprocal. The number is given here, you have to find its reciprocal. So that if you multiply this number, say it is 18, and if you multiply 18 with 1 by 18, you will get result 1. So 1 by 18 is the multiplicative inverse of 18. So find the multiplicative inverse of 18. So multiplicative inverse of 18 is 1 by 18. Now multiplicative inverse of minus 17 by 12. Here the important thing is whatever the sign is there, you have to maintain the sign. As it was in the additive inverse, the sign we have to change the sign. Here sign does not create any problem. Only you have to write the reciprocal of the number. If the number is negative rational number, then you have to write the negative rational number only, but its reciprocal. So multiplicative inverse of minus 17 by 12 is 12 by minus 17. Now in case of 0, what you will write? The multiplicative inverse of 0. You know that multiplicative inverse you have to write always its if the number is 0, then its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by 0, which is not possible because you know the denominator cannot be 0 in a rational number, so it is not possible. So what I will write? The multiplicative inverse of 0, multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. So multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Understood? This is the 3 examples we are given from R.S. Agrawal book. This one also multiplicative inverse, additive inverse, and now standard form of rational number. Now standard form of rational number. What do you mean by standard form of rational number? Any rational number. Which number will be a rational number when it is in the simplest form and the denominator is positive, then only the rational number is a standard form. Is it in its standard form? Express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. Here you can see that it is 21 by 35. As it is 21 by 35 and you can cancel it by 7. So it is not in standard form. It is you can cancel it. So 7 3s are 7 5s are. Now the standard form of 21 by 35 is 3 by 5. Now it is a simplest. It is in the simplest form and denominator also positive. So it is a standard form. Next number is 22 by 55. See here we can cancel this number and also the denominator is negative. So what we have to do? Here we will do 22 into minus 1. Both numerator and denominator will multiply by minus 1 to make the denominator positive. And if it is possible to cancel, then at the same time you can cancel also. You can cancel 22 by 2 and 55 by 11. 22 if you divide by 11, 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55. So 5 and 2 is the simplest form of 22 by 5. So now it has become minus 2 and this minus 1 and minus 5 become positive 5. So this is in the standard form. Numerator is positive and it is in the simplest form also. Next sum is minus 36 by minus 45. Both the numbers are negative. To remove this negative sign, you can multiply the number. Minus 36 into minus 1 and minus 45 into minus 1. So both the numbers become positive now, and you can see that these numbers are not in their simplest form. You can cancel it by 9, 9 4s are 9 5s are. Now the numbers are in their simplest form, 4 by 5, and you can see that denominators also positive and both the numbers are negative. So minus into minus plus, plus 4, minus into minus plus 5. So this is the standard form of rational number. 3 important points of rational numbers. We have discussed here additive inverse, multiplicative inverse and standard form of rational number. Thank you students.